FONTAINE Tandem and TANDEM air ride slide axle trailers offer the ultimate in hauling versatility. You can easily reposition the sliding axles to balance your load for legal compliance and to improve performance as you maneuver your vehicle and travel the highways. In these next few minutes, we will show you how truly fast and easy it is to operate FONTAINE slide axle trailers. As with all heavy equipment, remember to exercise extreme caution. Follow all stated and customary safety procedures, and position your equipment on firm, reasonably level ground. Warning: when operating the slide mechanism, avoid all pinch points. Failure to heed this warning could cause serious injury or death. Check the area around and underneath the trailer to make certain it is clear of obstructions and personnel. If any sliding winches are in the slide travel area, they must be removed. Keeping the engine running and in neutral, set the truck and trailer parking brakes. Then exit the cab. Locate the quick draw valve on the driver's side forward of the front axle. Pull the quick draw valve out to disengage the slider locking pins. Visually inspect all locking pins to make sure they are fully retracted. Return to the cab and release the tractor brakes only. With the trailer brakes remaining locked, the truck can now pull or push the trailer back and forth on the slide to reposition the axles to the desired location. When the axle group is in the proper position, apply the tractor parking brakes, then exit the tractor. Visually check to make sure the slider locking pins are aligned with the positioning holes in the trailer main beam. Then push the quick draw valve in. This will push the air-operated slider pins through the holes. Inspect to make sure the pins are fully seated in the positioning holes. If the pins are not fully engaged, gently rock the trailer back and forth until the pins are fully engaged, extending through the holes. Return to the cab and release the parking brakes. This successfully completes the FONTAINE Tandem and TANDEM air ride slide axle operating procedure. The FONTAINE slider system is fast and easy, so you spend less time prepping for loads and more time earning money on the road. Plus, since it's a FONTAINE, you know you can count on lasting performance mile after mile.